earn money watching videos online. If you're interested in how to do that, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into this app, and this is called VIGGLE. This is the VIGGLE app, but before we go into it, let me tell you, we are doing a gift card giveaway for the month of March. If you have not checked out the details in regards to that, check out the description below this video and find out more how you can be a part of it. And then also, if you are interested in learning on how I make money online, check out the first link below this video. I'm going to share more details in regards to that with you. That is my #1 source of income stream online. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. That's the first link below this video. Now, we're currently in the Google Play Store, and this is what the app looks like. This is what the logo looks like. And if we scroll down, we're gonna look at the app overall and get like the necessary information about it. So the app has been rated at 3.4 stars out of 5 stars, and it has been rated by over 120,000 people. So I want to say this app is either really popular or it has been around for a while. So it has been rated by a lot of people. And if you are interested in reading the review section about other people's experiences, you're more than welcome to do so. And if we scroll down, we will find the developer contact information. They have a website and they do have an email, so this is where you can contact them if you have any questions, any problems, any suggestions, concerns about the app. That's where you can find the information to contact them directly. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the images that they provide for us so we can find out more how we can earn money watching videos online. Okay, now it says earn perk points by watching live TV. Anytime you watch TV, tap the VIGGLE icon to check in and start earning. Okay, and then it says stream TV and movies to earn more perk points. Check into shows on your favorite streaming providers too. And it says want more, earn up to 15 times the perk points with daily bonus shows and VIGGLE games. Okay, so they do have games and they do have bonus shows that you can actually watch to earn more points. And it says spent points, easily exchange your perk points for over 200 plus gift card brands, 1,000 plus denomination and prices. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and read the about section now. Okay, so it says get rewarded for interacting all of your favorite entertainment. Check into shows, movies, live on TV, or providers like Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu to earn perk points. Okay, so they do have different options. It's not just Netflix. They do have an option with Amazon and Hulu. If you like to watch movies, videos online on these providers, this is how you can earn points and redeem them for money. Now it says next exchange your perk points for real life rewards. VIGGLE is powered by Perk, the #1 mobile reward program. Perk has more rewards, more apps, and more giveaways than anyone. Redeem gift cards for top brands like Amazon, PayPal, Walmart, and over 200 plus more. Check in to any program by tapping on the VIGGLE app. Once checked in, you'll start earning perk points. Redeem your perk points for gift cards, prices, exchange your points for cash with our powerful prepaid debit card, Perk Plastic. Oh, okay, so that's this one. I was wondering what was this, but I guess this is their own debit card that they have. So you could actually transfer your perk points to the to this debit card if you don't want to transfer it to PayPal or redeem it as an Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card, you could actually transfer it to your debit card, to the prepaid debit card that they will provide for you if you wanted to. Now it says free to join, hundreds of gift card options to choose from, tablets, headphones, laptops, and other goodies. Check into any TV show, earn perk points. Open VIGGLE daily to find featured shows for 4 times, 6 times, 15 times perk points. Play along with real-time trivia, participate in streaks, or challenge yourself on 2 quests to score even more perk points. Set custom reminders so you never miss a show. Use perk points to enter sweepstakes for a chance to win gift cards, and more. Donate to over 1,000 charities, including Autism Speaks, Wounded Warrior Project, American Cancer Society, and more. VIGGLE while you perk and get rewarded. Please note, this app features Nielsen's proprietary measurement software, which will allow you to contribute to the market research, like Nielsen's TV ratings. Please see www.nielsen.com/digitalprivacy for more information. You may also visit settings in the app to opt out of Nielsen measurement. Okay, so this company, I actually did some surveys and got paid to do surveys for them, and back, I want to say 8 years ago, or maybe I don't really remember if it was like anywhere between like 6 or 8 years ago. I do remember receiving a letter in the mail that had a survey, and it had, it was like $5 or $6 or maybe $7. It had in the envelope. So they used to send out the surveys to people, and they would send money with the survey, so you would get paid ahead of time, and then you would just have to answer the survey. And it's usually just ask like basic questions like what TV shows you watch, during what times do you watch the TV shows, what language are the TV shows or the channels that you would watch, and just things like that. Those were like the questions that were in the survey that they would send, and you just have to answer it and mail it back to them. I remember I did that 2 times for them. I don't remember if it was like the same year or 2 different years, but I remember answering surveys for them. Like I said, this was back 8 or 6 years ago. It's been a while back. So this company is still around. Back then they used to pay people to do surveys. So I'm wondering if now they probably have maybe an app that you can install on your phone and get paid. You get rewarded on that end. So I'm gonna go ahead and research and see if I can find this this app, and if they do have an app available, I will go ahead and do it for next week. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is the app that I wanted to show you today. And I don't have any personal experience using VIGGLE, but if you do, please don't hesitate to share it with us. Or if you have heard about the app, what are the, or if you know of anybody who has had any experience with the app, let us know in the comments below. Had they been able to redeem their perk points? Is it something that you would probably recommend if you have any experience with the app? I mean, let us know in the comments below. It really helps us. And if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave us a comment, and we love to interact with you guys. And also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and help us reach to our goal for 1,000 subscribers, so we can start monetizing this channel, and also so that we can do more gift card giveaways for our viewers. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much, and until next time.